Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these little baby turbans that are super cute all over the place. See them everywhere, but they're too expensive for me, so I made my own. Couple things you're going to need. So you're going to need some fabric. You need some knit fabric. Go to Hobby Lobby. Go wherever you want. I don't know if Michael's has fabric. I think they do. Wherever's got fabric, go get it. Go get you some knit fabric. I only have half a yard here, and that's way more than you need for this little bitty hat. So however much you want to get, that's cool. If you go to Hobby Lobby, use your 40% off, or go when it's 50% off. And you know, it's only like $3 or $4 for a yard of fabric. And you got enough. If you make a mistake, you can make like 30 more hats. So you're going to need a needle and some thread, whichever thread that you want to use. If you want to use something to match it, I just kind of got a dark blue here to go with the fabric that I'm using. White, whatever, you know, if you want to match your fabric, do what you want. Oh, can't forget the scissors. Also, real quick, I just want to let y'all know that I ain't no professional at this. I saw a tutorial, and I'm just kind of doing what I can. Making it how I can, you know. It looks good in pictures. It looks good on her. I ain't selling them, so it's okay. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to start cutting, and we're going to make like a little moon shape. And as we go up, we're going to kind of, it's not going to be totally rounded up at the top. We're going to kind of go here like that. Not totally straight, but not totally round. You'll see what I mean. Make it kind of big, obviously not the size of your kid's head, because you're going to sew it together. So we just want to start going. I'm just going to start whacking. However big you need it to be for your child's head. Alright, and now we're going to start going over this way. And, boom. Alright, so it's going to look something like that. Obviously, it's not perfect. This totally looks like a squarish thing. I don't even know. But it's okay. It's okay. It's cute. Alright, so basically, once you've done that right there, you can either start with the fabric facing up just like so, or you can go this way, however you want it to be. If you've got a solid color fabric, obviously this isn't going to be an issue. But I'm going to make it both ways. I really like the idea of this being on the outside, because when I bring in the frill, the pattern is going to be showing on the frill. I don't know what else to call that. Frill, fluff, ruffle, the ruffle. Okay, my goodness. Compared to if you have the actual fabric showing on the head, the little ruffle is going to be the inside. Either way is cute, whichever way you want to do it.
Y'all, there is a freaking lizard in my house. Oh my gosh. I don't know. We had the door open today, and I guess he just wiggled on in here, and I really don't want to just like move, because then he's going to go running, and I'm not going to be able to find him. And I'm too much of a weenie to touch him, so. Oh my gosh.
All right, now get yourself a needle and thread, and we are going to thread this bad boy and start sewing. Whoop, whoop. You're going to start, and you're going to weave in and out all along the edge, all around over, just to this side. You're not going to sew anything on this bottom portion. This is going to be pretty much the base of what wraps around her head. And so I'm going to go in a little bit, because I do want the frill to be there. Why do I keep calling it that? The ruffle. But at the bottom here, I'm going to kind of start out wider, closer to the edge, and then get a little bit more frilly ruffly as I go, just because I really want this width to be enough to go around her head and not be too tight. Start by going in, and then boom, boom, boom. Literally just like this. Like, it is so easy, y'all. Just go all the way around. And, you know, you can stop a little ways through and pull your needle through. Ooh, I might have put too much on. A little thick, a little thick. Alright. Pull through, and you're going to take these two ends and go boom. Hold them together. Pinch them together. And you're going to pull your fabric through, and that will make it all ruffle up. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Okay, now is the only other part that you got to do. Take your needle, and we're just going to literally go through both sides. So pull through, just like that. And then you're going to go back. Oh, you're going to go back through this side. Back through this side, literally just in and out, and that's just going to make sure that those sides are together. Okay, I got a little something funky going on right there. Don't know what I did wrong, but we're going to pick that sucker up and just kind of push it through. All right, so once you reach there, what I do, I don't really know the proper way to tie this off. I guess me weaving in and out was enough, but I'm just literally going to tie a knot just to be on the safe side. And so once you have trimmed off the excess, essentially you're done. Look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute. Literally die when I see this. How freaking cute. Okay, I'm going to go model it on my baby so you can see what it looks like. And you are good to go. And remember, like I said, you could do it the opposite way where this will be on the outside and, you know, this fabric will be showing. But this is just how I figured out how to do it. So, voila! Okay, here she is. I'm pumping. Sorry, ignore the noise. But here is the little turban bow. I don't know what you call it. Fluffoo. Looking all kinds of cute. Oh my gosh, on this pillow that does not have a pillowcase. My bad. Look at that baby. Oh my goodness. Oh, those lips. Oh my goodness. Stella, you want to say hello? You want to wake up and say hello? Thor. I don't think I said Thor. I think I said Stella. And also remember, you could do this the other way and have it... Oh, her little thing's falling. You could do it the other way and have the pretty design on the outside and have it like flip inside out on this side. But whichever way you want to do it. Oh my gosh. I forgot to film an outro, so here's me saying thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and God bless.